Oh, look! Another miracle drink for people who forgot biology class.
This juice flushes toxins from your body.
Really? Which pipe does it use exactly?
If Detox worked like that, I'd sell one called Common Sense Juice.
Your body detoxes itself. That's what liver and kidneys are for.
So the juice does nothing?
Well, it hydrates you. That's called water.
Looks like someone's trying to drown their toxins. Or their wallet.
Congratulations, you just had overpriced spinach water.
This hero right here filters everything. No detox needed.
Iska.
So detox is fake?
About as real as unicorn protein shakes.
Stick around. We're testing this detox myth. No, cat style.
Day one of my detox journey. Ah, yes, the classic before the regret moment.
Observation. Excessive chlorophyll intake. Confidence unchanged. Intelligence pending. Day 1 symptom. Severe hunger. Treatment suggested. Food.
Day 2, temptation appears. Science predicts surrender.
Breakthrough achieved. Subject rediscovered taste and joy.
Results conclusive. Detox fails. Burger wins. Your body doesn't need detox drinks. It needs support, not starvation.
The real detox, water, sleep, and vegetables. Boring, but effective.
So, no miracles?
Only science. And coffee.
Next time you see a detox ad, detox your browser instead.
See these. Your built-in detox team, working 24/7 since birth.
They filter toxins so well, you don't need a $20 juice to help.
Marketing makes you believe you're toxic. Science knows better.
Same hydration. Different marketing budget.
Google searches aren't science. They're symptoms.
So how do I ever meet detox, right?
Eat, sleep, move, repeat.
That's the detox they can't sell you, because it's free.
If it promises magic, it's probably marketing day, not medicine.
Here's the rule. If it sounds too easy, it's not real science.
Forget juice cleanses. Balance is the real detox.
My favorite opponent, Doctor Sponsored.
This detox flushes toxins in just 24 hours.
So does your kidney, but for free.
That's a stock market chart, not science.
One has a degree, the other has a discount code.
And that's how we detox misinformation.
So he wasn't a real doctor?
He had real followers.
My amazing detox tea, it's perfectly formulated too.
Oh.
Don't buy hype. Buy a salad.
Date.
Half of what you see online needs a detox too.
Meet the real detox machine, the liver. It filters no toxins, hashtags processes nutrients, and still has time to deal with your energy drinks. These guys filter your blood every 30 minutes. They don't need juice cleanses, just water.
So the liver and kidneys do it all? Diagnosis. Marketing poisoning.
Your body's detox team is on duty, and you just need to not fire them with junk food.
Trade that for water and sleep. Cheaper, and it works.
Eat colors, not chemicals.
Your body is already amazing, just stop messing with it.
Here is your real detox plan.
Sleep, water, vegetables.
If detox had a smell, it would be broccoli.
Laughs.
Turns out, the boring stuff is what actually keeps you alive.
Science lesson complete. Marketing Detox.
Health is simple, but simple doesn't sell. And that's how you detox your feed.
So, no detox needed? Just a nap and hydration.
Stop believing every miracle trend. Believe your biology.
If you laughed and learned, that's the best detox of all.
Now go hydrate before I prescribe sarcasm twice a day. Subscribe or Dr. Meow might show up at your fridge.
Only if you're detoxing from common sense.
I heard charcoal detox cleans your gut.
Only if you're a BBQ grill.
Dr. Meow is sweating enough to detox.
Unless you're a sauna, no.
Can coffee detox me?
It detoxes your mood, not your liver.
Should I try a 3-day water fast?
Try a 3-day nap instead. Way safer.
Do cats need detox?
I was born perfect.
Close TikTok. Open a water bottle.
You humans ask the best questions and the worst ones.
If you have any questions for me, you can post them in the comment section below.
Yeah, that's right.
Stay curious. Stay healthy. Stay sarcastic.
Real health isn't found in a bottle. It's in your habits.
Nature's original detox. No marketing required.
Rest. The detox everyone forgets about.
If you made it this far, congratulations, you've survived a YouTube detox.
Laugh, learn, repeat. That's real longevity.
The best your second seg. Well,
So what now?
Subscribe. It's free therapy.